Friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a practice model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now here take a 2D sketch. We'll start from the top plane. So we'll select here the XZ plane, rotate the view. This will be the top view. Take a rectangle command and here we will take 2-point center rectangle. Select the center point, make one rectangle here, go to dimension. Here take a width of 90 mm and a height here of 45 mm. Okay. Now go to rectangle command once again. This time we will select 2-point rectangle and make one rectangle here and make another rectangle here. Okay. Now go to equal constraint. Select this line, slowly select this and select this. Okay, so they are already equal. Now escape. Now here go to dimension. Here we will define this dimension as 10 mm. Okay, by giving equal constraint you can see this sketch is also moving, and this dimension here will be 25 mm. Okay, now go to horizontal constraint. Select this center point and here select this green center point. Now finish sketch. Take here extrude command, select this profile and here we are going to take extrude of 15 mm. So this will be a single direction extrude towards upside and press OK. Okay. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Here go to rectangle command once again. Take here 2-point rectangle, make one rectangle like this and from top make one rectangle. Okay, go to dimension. Here we will define this dimension as 20. Okay, and the outer dimension as 30 mm. Okay, now go to the vertical constraint. Here we will select the center points. Select this center point, select this center point. So this is constraint with respect to center point. So let's select center point of 30 mm and here select this center point. So this is aligned vertically. Okay, go to dimension. Here select this edge, select this base. Okay, we'll select this once again. Select this base. Here give this dimension as 20 mm. Okay, and here define this depth as 3 mm. Okay, now this is fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch, go to extrude, select this profile and here flip the direction and here we will select 2, rotate the profile and select this back face. This will be a joining profile and press OK. Okay, go to home. Now the next profile which we are going to construct, go to part 1. Here you have constructed this base, go to front view. Now you want this cut profile over here. For this cut profile, go back to the construction part, select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the line command. We'll start from here, the center point, the green point, and make a line over here, one joining line, and this will be the closing profile. Go to dimension. Here we'll select this point and select this face. Here we will give a distance of 10 mm. Okay. Similarly, we will make similar profile this side as well. Or finish sketch, go to extrude and here flip the direction and here we will take all. So this will be a through cut. Press OK. Now I want same cut this side as well. So go to mirror command, select this extrude 3, go to mirror plane and here go to origin and here we will select the YZ plane and press OK. Okay, so this will be the cut profile. Now here we are going to construct this top profile. So go to part of construction. Here we will select the XY plane, go to create sketch, take the circle command and make here a circle of diameter 25. Okay, we'll take the outer diameter as 25, enter. From the same center, make diameter 12. Now go to line command. From here, we are going to construct a line profile till this edge, okay, and till this and till here. And here we will change the view, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Okay, so this will be more visible. Now go to sketch, take here vertical constraint, select this point, select the center. So this will be aligned with center. Now go to dimension. The height of the center from the base will be at 40 mm. Okay. Now here from this edge, and I rotate this profile, you will find the point profile. This will be at a distance of 5 mm. Similarly, select this point. Okay. Go to front view. You selected this side point and select this face. This will also be 5 mm. Okay. Now here go to tangent constraint. Select the circle, select the line. Similarly, select this circle, select this line. Now escape. Finish sketch. Take extrude command. Select this profile. Take here symmetric extrude. And here we are going to take extrude of 5 mm and OK. Now go to extrude 4. Select sketch 4. Here we will turn on the visibility. Take extrude once again. Now select this middle profile. Here we will take symmetric and take a distance of 20 mm. Okay, so this will be a joining profile. Press OK. Now select sketch 4, turn off the visibility. Okay, go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. So this will be the final profile. Okay, now we want to make a cut profile on this face. So select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the rectangle command and take here 2-point center rectangle. Select this center point and make a rectangle profile. Go to dimension and here from this end this will be at a height of 5 mm and here the width will be of 50, or don't give this width. Go to dimension. From this edge this will be at a distance of 15 mm. Okay, go to 3D model, go to extrude and here flip the direction to cut, so it will change it to cut, and here we'll take all. So this will be a through cut. Press OK. Now we want to make holes on this face. So select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the rectangle command once again and we will take here 2-point center rectangle and we want this as construction geometry. So we will click here to make it a construction geometry and select the center point. The green point will be the center point. Make a rectangle here and escape. As you close this profile, here uncheck this, so it will be back to the solid lines. Go to dimension. From this edge this will be at 5 mm and from this also 5 mm. Okay, now escape. Now we will zoom in. Here drag this and drag this to make it more clear. Okay, now here go to circle command. From this end point make a circle of diameter 5. Similarly on all the edges we will make diameter 5. Here also dia 5 and this last also dia 5. Okay, now finish sketch. Go to 3D model, take extrude, select all the profiles Here we will take cut. Okay, so these are the through cuts. Here we have taken a distance of 20 mm. Press OK. When I rotate this you can see a through cut profile. Okay, now here we'll define the appearance. From here we'll define it as yellow color I have taken. So at last you will see the yellow color. Okay, go to home view. So this is complete now. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.